nobody can come for me. Nobody can tell me nothing because, like, sis, I'm the ish right now with this hair, okay? Julia got me feeling myself. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl TUJ. It's your girl TUJ. I am back in the motherfreaking building with another motherfreaking video, okay? I don't know why I be saying like that because it'd be like tongue twisted. But anyway, y'all get my drift. Your girl's back. I'm back with Julia hair. And when I say Julia hair came through, sis, they motherfreaking came back through. Like, I was super shocked. Like, I have not worn Julia hair in a long time. When I say a long time, probably was like a year or two ago. But guess what, sis? Julia is back and she's here and she's popping, and sis, it is what it is. Basically just installing the unit from start to finish. I didn't really do anything to the hair as far as style wise. As you guys can see, this is the body waves that came with the unit straight out the box. So I just touched up the top a little bit so it could be more full.
All right, guys, so this is in the y'all, I don't know what I was talking about. Anyway, y'all, we do have their 13x4 lace frontal wig. This is a body wave texture. The inches on her is 24 inches and the lace is transparent. I don't know if I said if it was tinted throughout the video, because sometimes I do that, but it is not tinted. It is transparent, and the density on her is 150%. So this is what the lace looks like before I go in and pluck it. Like I said, I don't do too much plucking because we really don't have a lot of room to work with, as you guys can see. So I do what I can with what room I have. And this is what the unit looks like in its entirety, straight out the pack. And as you guys can see, those body waves are popping.
Alright guys, so I did pluck the unit just a little bit off camera, as y'all know I do. Did I tint this? No, I don't think I tinted this one. No, I didn't tint it. But she's giving, okay? She's freaking giving. Period. Period.
So I've been using this method and it's really been helping me lay down my units flawlessly. So I like to cut the lace into sections instead of trying to lay it all down at once. And I'm using my bedhead spray today because I need more of a stronger hold. So that is what we're doing. If you guys are OGs, you already know this process. I feel like sometimes hair videos are pretty much repetitive, so it's nothing new. But if you guys are newbies, that's why I do go ahead and, you know, regurgitate the information, because like maybe you guys don't know. But basically I go ahead and spray each section with 1 to 2 layers. I allow that to dry on a cool heating setting, and then I press my lace into that the place where I stuck the hairspray at. And then this step is extra, you don't have to go on top of it, but for some reason I thought of trying something new. Okay, so now I'm taking a pair of shears and cutting the excess lace off. You can use an eyebrow razor, you can use whatever you have. Just make sure you're not cutting straight lines, because it will not look it will look fake, okay? It won't look realistic at all. So yeah, after I cut the lace off, I just go back in with my bed head spray and put some on my finger to, you know, just press on the lace so that line of demarcation could be less noticeable. Okay, so like I said before, I don't really do much to this hair. I wanted to leave it in the style that it came with, but I like more volume towards the top section when doing body wave hair. So I just took my curling wand and wrapped the curls around there. I held it for about 30 seconds, and once I let it go, I did spray some more of my, what is it called, Sebastian shaper spray. There we go. Okay, and then I cool it down for just a tad bit. I stretch it and then comb it out with my rat tail comb. So that is basically how I get those. I do believe I have a few videos on this method, and I will try to link them below if you guys are interested as well, because I think I did a whole video dedicated to these curls before. So yeah, just check down there.
Alright guys, so this is the end of my video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Like this hair came out fire. It was super easy. Y'all know I'm all down for super. So y'all know I really vibe with easy installs, easy hairstyles. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I did not touch the bottom of this. This is the natural body wigs that come with the unit. I haven't washed it, conditioned it, or anything. This is straight out the package. The only thing I did was pluck it. I didn't tint it besides putting that little powder on the outside, and you know, that's pretty much it, y'all. Yeah, I was super excited because it wasn't like even giving me minimum shed. It was less than minimum. But as far as tangling, I'm not gonna say that it's not gonna tangle, okay? But I have not, as of this fresh install, I have not received any type of tangling whatsoever, so that is an A+ in my book. But like I said, I'm not gonna say it's not gonna tangle, you know, because that's just not realistic, okay, for it not to tangle. You might get a snag and tag every now and then, but I'm not gonna sit here and say it's not gonna tangle. I won't use this because I don't know. Like I said, fresh out the box, so first install. So I'm here for it, y'all. I'm feeling this look. Like, I'm feeling this. My expectations, okay? Jilly came through in the clutch and they did it. Of course, you're gonna get your hair pre-plucked like I showed you guys in the beginning. How it comes, but y'all, this is it and this is all, and I'm signing off. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment if you want. Y'all, I'm getting off of here, so yeah, check the description section, all the information was there, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Sorry, I'm just kidding, I don't know why I did that.
I'm talking with my hands again. Girl, put your hands down. What is it called? Repetitious, repetitive. All right, let me stop, y'all. Literally, when people call, I just watch and put the phone back down.